Objects in JavaScript are essentially collections of key-value pairs. Imagine them as a personal dictionary, where every word, the key, has a corresponding definition, the value. These keys are strings or symbols, and the values can be any data type, including other objects, arrays, or even functions. Objects are the go-to when dealing with complex data structures and entities in JavaScript applications. Creating an object is as simple as using curly braces with key-value pairs separated by colons. For example, consider an object person with properties like name, age, and address. The address property here is an object itself, demonstrating that objects can nest within objects. Accessing these properties is a breeze. You can use dot notation or bracket notation. For instance, to get the name of the person, we would write person.name, and voila, we have John. Output. Now, let's shift gears to arrays. Arrays are like a well-organized bookshelf, an ordered collection of values, each indexed by a numeric index starting from 0. Arrays are the perfect choice when you need to store lists of items, be it numbers, strings, objects, or other arrays. Creating an array is straightforward with square brackets and items separated by commas. For instance, an array numbers could hold a sequence of numeric values, and an array fruits could store a list of fruits. Accessing these elements is as easy as pie. We use square brackets and the index of the element. For example, numbers would give us the first number in our array. Arrays come equipped with a vast toolkit of built-in methods for manipulating their contents. From adding or removing elements to slicing and filtering them, arrays have got you covered. So, how do objects and arrays differ? While objects use named keys to access values, arrays use numeric indices. Objects are perfect for structured hierarchical data, while arrays are ideal for collections of similar items. An interesting difference is that arrays have a length property which indicates the number of elements in the array, while objects lack this property. In essence, objects and arrays are the building blocks of JavaScript. Mastering them is akin to mastering the language itself. They are versatile, widely used, and understanding them is crucial to effective JavaScript programming. Remember, objects are your personal dictionaries of key-value pairs, and arrays are your organized bookshelves of indexed values. Happy coding! Happy!